Hi guys, I think we're ready for questions now. Okay guys.
Invariably one of the highlights of any season. Two clubs who represent an unbridled commitment to excellence. Stay with us for all the action live from Old Trafford. It's Manchester United against Arsenal on EA TV. Well, everyone is happy here at Old Trafford for the time being. I say that because the sun is shining brightly. My name's Derek Ray, and delighted to have alongside me, as usual on these occasions, Stuart Robson. And looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League coming right up. It's Manchester United versus Arsenal.
Yes, thanks as always, Derek. We've got two good teams here, so I'm anticipating a really good game. The atmosphere is electric inside the stadium before kick-off, and hopefully we're not disappointed.
The lineup for Manchester United. And a look at the starting lineup for Arsenal.
Well, it'll be interesting to see how the wingers play today. Will they stay high and wide? Will they come in field and support the centre forward? And how deep will they come out of possession? They're going to be key to this formation.
Enjoy the game and thank you for attending Old Trafford.
Underway at Old Trafford. Alessandro Bastoni. And back with Trossard. Well, goal kick, just as it was looking promising. Well, how do you get the better of an Arsenal defence boasting the best record in the entire league? Not easy, Stuart.
Well, I can only admire the work rate, the know-how and the desire of their defensive structure. It's been brilliant this season, and I don't expect that to change today.
And now, passing it through. Inside he goes. No way through. Trossard. Kefren Thuram. Trossard. Nicely timed tackle. We're getting the ball forward. Can he get them in front? And a goal! That is a very bright start. Perfect way to open.
Well, Well, let's see this again. This is counter-attacking football at its very best, and it makes the striker's job so easy. All he has to do is make the right connection. It's a lovely goal.
On they go again, and Arsenal know they need to wipe out that last goal. Ezequiel Palacios. They've regained possession. A chopping challenge, and the referee has got to have a big think about it. Lozano. Just looking for the right moment for that final pass. It's a perfect challenge. Machado. Can he finish this? Still a chance. Well, good defending, clattered out of there. Well, let's see what they have in store for them on the break. An utterly disappointing cross. Goal kick. Manchester United keep the ball. Advantage. Caballero. Is this the moment? And the keeper more than equal to it. Alessandro Bastoni. And now Zielinski. And winning it back. Now Leon. And that pass could be troublesome. And nothing positive comes of it, unfortunately. Rafa Mir. Doku. And the flag does go up. Must have been close. Gavi. Just knocking it around, looking to carve out a chance. I think I spoke too soon. Wasn't the best of passes finally. An incisive pass. Well, it all counts for naught. Gavi. Oh, a goal! And every player's worst nightmare, because this will go down as an own goal.
Well, here it is again, and quite clearly that's an own goal. He's a bit unfortunate, really.
So 2-0 now. Zielinski. Trossard. And Arsenal now find themselves in potentially a dangerous position. Good tackle, it'll be a throw. Zielinski. Oh, that's a fine save. And short it is. Zielinski. Bastoni. He has time to play it over. He simply couldn't beat the first defender.
Well, there it is. United haven't had as much of the ball, but when they have won it back in midfield areas, their counter-attacking has been excellent. They'll be happy with the way the game's going at the moment.
And we will have a couple of additional minutes at the end here. Promising sequence. Still could put it away. Did look as though they had attacking momentum, but not so. And the half-time whistle. Well, one or two things for Arsenal to address, Lee. And the second half underway. It really was a dazzling first 45 from United. And space to attack. Unable to get himself back onside here.
Well, he was always going to be offside. That was the wrong option.
Jeremy Doku. Couldn't keep it. Excellent use of the ball as they make their way forward. Such an important goalkeeping intervention under pressure. Well, we wondered if this deal was going to be done. In fact, it has now been done, Stuart.
Well, he's certainly got ability. A lot of clubs have been in for him, but now he needs to fulfil that potential. He might just
Oh, hang on, Stuart. Big chance here. Well, given the position he found himself in, he really should be testing the keeper. Superb opportunity squandered. And the substitution will occur now. Arsenal have given it away. It's with Rodriguez. Now, options are plenty. And close, but offside nonetheless. Here's a change for Manchester United. And he read it superbly. Gavi. Oh, showing excellent vision. Well, he needed to read it to get there, and did. Well, this is the home of live football, EA TV. And a quick reminder, we have live action from the Carabao Cup coming your way. It's Manchester United up against Coventry City.
Well, the cup always whets the appetite, and that one's no different. It should...
Will he finish? Not to be, and still chasing this game.
Well, that was the chance to get back into this. As it is, they're going to struggle now.
Sessegnon. He has teammates around him. Well, this could pose problems for the defenders. Oh, dealt with by the goalkeeper. Here it is now, a substitution. And over comes the corner. A very effective clearance. Oh, it might be. Really good diving stop to make sure the threat came to nothing. Short corner favoured. Happy to take on the shot. Well, the goalkeeper in charge of the situation. Playing it in. And he dealt with that ball played in rather well. And he cuts in from the wing. And the cross is immediately dealt with. Goalkeeper's ball every day of the week. Alessandro Bastoni.
Can John Scott, that's John Scott, please make
Rafa Mir.
ticket office.
And he read it well.
Thank you.
And support available. He's in behind. And that's a very good parry. Corner coming up. Trying to deliver it accurately. And able to get a body in the way. They will now make use of their substitutes bench. Well, no end product. Evans. Milik. Can he make it count? And a goal! What a magnificent display! It's such a one-sided contest here.
Just look at this again. The combination play in the top third of the field was so precise, and there's certainly no doubt about the finish. He really hits it with power and accuracy. Nothing the keeper can do about that.
So the action underway once more, and it's beginning to look as though it's a case of how many for United. Doku. Palacios. Jeremy Doku. Shot attempted. Simple catch, really. So almost at full time, and the home side very much in command. Stuart, what have you made of their overall performance?
Well, the result has never really been in doubt, has it? They've created so many chances with some brilliant attacking play. I think they've looked an outstanding team today.
Oh, he squandered the chance, and he knows it.
Well, it wouldn't have counted anyway. He was offside, but nonetheless, that was a poor attempt.
Doku. Hani Mukhtar. Palacios on the ball. A danger here as he runs at them. And the cross into the middle. Brilliantly blocked. Arkadiusz Milik. It's going to be United's free kick. The electronic board has been held in the air, and we're going to have a minimum of 4 added minutes. Gabi. Well, not quite what he wanted to do with the pass. Mukhtar. And it might be. Tenacious tackling, excellent. So the referee's whistle means full time, and it goes into the books as a defeat for Arsenal.
Well, that's not what I expected. They're usually so hard to play against, but when your forwards stop closing the ball down and your midfield players get outplayed, then it's so much harder for the defence, and that's what's happened today.